Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive, gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcement. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 7 Social Science History Chapter 9 The Making of Religious Cultures. Let's solve textbook exercise. This is A part and this is B part. So let's solve the solution. Anantvarman Varnam, that is in Orissa. Jagannatha Puri, Mahodayapuram, Kerala. Leela Tilakam, Kerala. Mangala Kavya, Bengal. Miniature, Kangar. Next question. What is Mani Parvalam? Name a book written in that language. Mani Parvalam means diamonds and corals, referring to the two languages, Sanskrit and the religion language. A book written in Mani Parvalam in Leela which deals with grammar and poetics. Next, what are the important architectural features of the temples of Bengal? Bengal witnessed a temple building spree from the late 15th century which culminated in the 19th century. Many of the modest brick and terracotta temples in Bengal were built with the support of several low social groups such as Kolu, that is oil pressures, and the Kansari, bell metal worker. When all dignities once worshipped in hut in village gained the recognition of the Brahmins, their images began to be housed in temples. The temples began to copy the double roofed or four roofed structure of the thatched huts. This led to the evolution of the typical Bengali style in temple architecture. Temples were usually built on a square platform with a relatively plain interior, but the outer wall of many temples were decorated with paintings, ornamental tiles, or terracotta tablets. In such temples, particularly in Vishnupur, in the Bankura district of the West Bengal, such decoration reached a high degree of excellence. Next question. Why did the minstrel proclaim the achievements of heroes? From about the 8th century, most of the present day state of Rajasthan was ruled by various Rajput families. Stories about Rajput heroes were recorded in poems and songs which were recited by specially trained minstrels. These preferred the memories of heroes and were expected to inspire others to follow their examples. Ordinary people were also attracted by these stories, which often displayed dramatic situation and a range of strong emotion, royalty, friendship, love, valor, anger, etc. Why did the conqueror try to control the temple of Jagannath at Puri? Anantvarman, one of the most important ruler of the Ganga dynasty, decided to erect a temple of Purushottam Jagannath at Puri during the 12th century. Subsequently, in 1230, King Gambhima III dedicated his kingdom to the dignity and proclaimed himself as a deputy of God. As the temple gained in importance as a center of pilgrimage, its authority in social and political matters also increased. The Mughals, the Marathas, the English East India Company conquered Orissa and attempted to gain control over the temples as they felt that this would make them rule acceptable to the local people. Next question. Why were temples built in Bengal? The coming of the European trading companies created new economic opportunities in Bengal. The social and economic improvement led to the construction of temples. Many of the modest bricks and terracotta temples in Bengal were built with the support of several low social groups such as Kolu and the Kansari. When local dignities were once worshipped in hatched huts in village gained the recognition of the Brahmins, their image began to be housed in temples. So this was chapter 9 of NCERT solution for class 7 social science. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and connect us on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.